we're making sopas with my daddy. This one is chicken.
What's that? What's that?
Hot dog. And we also got onion, carrots,
Garlic.
and garlic, and bell pepper.
Okay.
It to be golden brown, and then we will put
Chicken.
chicken. Mix it.
Let's put that.
Daddy, huwag mo. Baka mahuli.
And now we will put the
Water.
pepper.
Now we will put chicken cubes and pepper.
So this is what?
Chicken cubes.
And
Slowly put it.
Because I'm way too far.
Okay.
very good.
Let's wait for 15 minutes to boil. Now we will put carrots and bell pepper. Oh, that's beautiful. Can I stir it now? Now we are putting the lemon. I got it. What? We also put 2 eggs and then. Finally, let's put the milk. How? Oh, like that? Should we put it all?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's have a taste. Yummy. For guys, by watching our video, subscribe and hit the little bell button. See you in the next video. Bye.